Hi, I'm Ashley. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this Halloween flower arrangement and these Halloween candle holders. Now, I'm going to do things a little different this time because I've already made these things. So I'm just going to go step by step on what I did to make them. So let's get started. I'll go ahead and start with this one. Now, all this stuff I got at the Dollar Tree. I know, shocking, right? I got 3 of the bouquets of flowers, and one of them had the little eyeballs, and then one was just black, and then the other one was just purple. But last year I was actually going to do this with the bigger eyeballs. That's why some of them are small and some of them are bigger. I actually did these, the bigger ones. I actually glued them in there. I was just trying to compare the two, and I don't know if I like the bigger ones better or the smaller ones better. So I just kind of put them in there together. I was like, well, make it a little bit different. And then I got these glittery decorative twigs. I got the black ones and the purple ones, and they didn't come together. I had to actually buy a black one and a purple one. And these spiders actually came in the flowers. So I actually got the spiders with the flowers. And I got this vase, and I really like the purple one, to go with the purple in there. And then I got the spider webs, and this spider and that spider is actually from the flower part. I just cut them off and then stuck them down here because I wanted spiders down here. And then these two are from spider rings. I just cut the ring part off and just glued them down. And this tray that I put it on, it was just a regular little serving tray that they had there for Halloween. I took wire cutters and cut all of this stuff to make it individual so it would be easier to stick down in there. I tried to stick it, arrange it while it was all together, but it was not working out for me. So I just cut it all down and then just stuck it where I wanted it to go. Whatever you feel is easiest for you, go ahead and do that. That's just how I felt it was easiest for me. And then I just took hot glue and glued the web down, and then I took it and kind of wrapped it around here because I didn't want to put anything inside this vase because I like the color so much. So I wanted some of that to show, and I thought maybe if I put stuff down in there, it would kind of make it darker. So I didn't want to do that. So I just took this around just to kind of hide the stems a little bit, and I don't know, to make it look a little bit cooler. I like it like that. And then I put the spider crawling up there because I thought that was a cute touch. Oh, and then this one is a spider ring too. I forgot about him, sorry. So I just glued all that down, and then I had to make a hole right here to glue the vase down, because if you try to glue that down on the spider web, it's just going to come right off. So I made a hole in the web and then just glued it onto the plastic and hot glue. Hot glue is what I used for all this. And I got the ping pong eyeballs. I don't think I said this, but I got the ping pong eyeballs that they have almost every year to glue down inside of here. And because I was going to do this last year, like I said, but I just never got around to it. And then when I went to the dollar store and I saw that they actually had them already, but they were smaller. And where's it at? Oh, it's not all the way round. It's halfway cut off. I like how it turned out. Now, I will say the glitter falls off of these really bad, as you can tell. There's glitter everywhere. That's the only thing that I'm a little bit bummed out about, but I can get over that. I mean, I like it. I think it's cute. And I don't know. It's just because you know how the spider web stuff, it attracts everything. And then you've got the glitter falling down on it. So you can decorate this however you want. I mean, if you don't like the thought of the glitter falling, and like if you don't like glitter, but maybe before you put it in here, if I would have like shook these out a little bit, maybe I wouldn't have had that big of a problem, but I basically just stuck them right in there. So all the falling from me sticking them in there all went all over the place. Other than that, I'm actually really happy with how it turned out. I think it's really cute. I really love that they put the spiders actually in with the flowers, because I was going to do that anyway, because I thought that the eyeballs and the spiders would look good together with the flowers, and I wanted the spiders coming up, and you know, just to give it a little extra something. So, but let me know if you do anything different. Like I said, you can do this basically however you want. I mean, you could even have some of the eyeballs, like the ping pong eyeballs down here. I mean, there's tons of stuff that you can do with this. It's just basically whatever creative thing that comes to your mind. But this is just how I did it, like as a guide. And I think that this would be great for Halloween parties. If you're having a Halloween party to maybe put on the tables, I think that would look great. So there was this one. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And if you plan on doing anything different, let me know. I'd love to hear it and talk about it. All right, now let's move on to the candle holders. I got these canisters at the Dollar General, and I got them for super cheap because they were having a sale, but a lot of people use ball jars. I just got these canisters because I'm thinking about using these as a candy dish instead of as a candle holder. I might put them on the trick-or-treating table, but I don't know yet. I'm still deciding. But anyway, I'll go ahead and start with a spider one. This was so easy to do. It took me probably only 5 minutes to do both of these. It was super easy. But I just took the spider web and just stretched it out and glued it back here and just wrapped it around and then glued it again. It was so easy. And then I just glued the spider on here, and then these two are ring spiders too, so I just glued them on because I wanted to kind of have 3 in the front. I just started to use these because I already had basically all this stuff on hand anyway, and I thought this would be a really easy idea just to throw together to give something a little bit extra. Yeah, super easy, quick, fun to do. I mean, that was just great. And then this one I decided to make a mummy, and I just used party streamer and glued it down and then just wrapped it around and did kind of a crisscross effect in the front to give it something a little extra, and then just glued googly eyes right on the front. It was super easy and quick to do that too. These would be a great idea if you had basically all this stuff for Halloween and you're just looking for something extra to do to decorate. These would be like a quick, easy, awesome idea to just throw together and just have something a little bit extra. Really cheap. I had, like I said, I had all of this stuff besides the canisters. That's the only thing I went and bought was those. And I'm just going to take the tea light candles and just stick them in here. Turn them on. And I'm going to show you how it looks lit up. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And let me know in the comments if you plan on making any of these. I'd love to hear how they turn out. Well, I'll see you next time. Bye.